Hi, Kate Onstrom, Promotions Manager, Hunting Division for Syren, and I am here at Syren headquarters in Cambridge, Maryland. Did you know that your brand new gun can actually be brought here any Tuesday or Thursday, and you can get your own private free gun fitting? Come on, gunner, let's get my gun fit.
So your right hand index finger is once you come up and point it right at it.
So a couple of things that make gun fit really, really important. You need to have that eye flat and centered on the rib to make sure your shot is headed to where you want to shoot, whether that's a clay target or a feather target. So Andrew's taken a few moments to adjust the gun so it fits exactly how I need it to fit, so I have the most success on the field and in the course. All right, so now that I'm all fitted, Gunner and I are ready to head back to the course and go crush some clays. Make sure you call, set your appointment Tuesdays, Thursdays. Remember, gun fittings are free. We want you hitting your targets, clay or feathered.